Result proven. QED. And this. Just write two of those symbols at the end. If Mr. Lacey was a teacher, he would let you write that you are Batman, but none of you are Batman, as far as I can tell. Okay. Okay, let's talk about what all those mean. Left side equals right side means that you've shown the left part equals the right part. Result proven is what it says. QED is a Latin term that says quater erat demonstratum, which actually means quater erat demonstratum. I'll say it again. What it actually means, though, is that this has been proven. Okay, so when mathematicians formally do a proof, back in the 1500s was a wild time for math. Like they would have like death threats for each other. Like they would actually, it was a wild time. But anyway, so they would actually like try, like that's like, and then the last one is the dot. They go quater erat demonstratum, which means try and break this proof. And that's what this thing is. It's rock solid. If I stamp, it's done. You can't break this proof.
So you get 3 dots.
What happened if they proved it wrong?
You don't have to do therefore.
Die.
Would you get executed or?
That's why
I get kicked out of the Pythagoras Club or whatever.
Pythagoras Club is scary.
So you've heard about Mr. Lacey?
Yeah, I
What
know.
is it? Oh, can you tell us about it?
It's not in ancient Greece. Kill people, basically.
All right, example 2. I want you guys to try this one for me right now. That's it. So all I did, okay, let's just talk about it. Yeah. All this is left side. All this is left side. So what I did though is, can I talk, please, guys? Okay. So what I did was I just squared, so I folded out. Okay. Then it's well, sine times sine is sine squared. Sine times cos is sine cos. Cosine sine is cosine. Cos times cos is cos squared. Then I just rearranged it right so that I put the sine squared plus the cos squared together. Okay, and then I change that to be a 1, and then a sine cos and a sine cos is 2 sine cos. Okay. All right, I want you guys to struggle with this right now for yourself. Here we go. Example 3.
It's stratum or whatever it is.
Wax.
Wax. Candle wax.
Ring. It's on my test. Mark it now. Sounds like Harry
All right. We're starting to pick up the pace here. Okay. I'm going to let you guys struggle with this for a very, very short amount of time. Okay. It's not as bad as you think it is. Okay. I'm going to hit pause in the video. Give the advice, and you guys will do it here. Yes. Yes. I'm going to talk through the advice here that I'm going to give you. Number 1, you look. Guys, can I please talk? If you look at the left side and the right side, look at things that don't belong. Okay. So instantly when I'm looking at this, I'm going to pick the left-hand side because it's more difficult. I'm instantly getting rid of secant and tan. So think of what secant equals, substitute it. Think of what tan equals, substitute it. The reason I want to do that, I don't see a secant at all. Tan, again, I don't see on the right-hand side, so get rid of those two things.
What is?
Secant is 1 over cos.
And tan is sine.
And a sine over cos.
Can we just say therefore less sine, right side?
You will get half a mark off of that. I'm going to maybe take it through here. Can someone? No, don't run low in spirit. Okay, so I'm going to choose the left-hand side. So I write that as secant theta minus tan theta times sine theta. Now here's the thing. You always, when you're doing these, should be looking at what you're going to. So I want this to turn to cos somehow magically. Can someone be brave and tell me what secant equals? Whatever cos. Good. What does tan equal?
Sine over cos.
Okay, now I have 2 magic steps that actually take place in this question. Someone other than Liam, please don't shout out Liam, okay? Can someone tell me what sine theta divided by cos theta times sine theta equals, please? Play along, guys. You guys are all enough to do this. Play along. What's sine divided by cos times sine? Sine squared divided by cos. Lovely. Okay, we're getting very, very close. Okay, I have 2 fractions that look to be the same, so I'm going to combine them. That's just teacher's intuition, okay, for this. All right. So I'm going to call that 1 minus sine squared theta over cos theta. Okay, we're getting so close I can taste it. Can someone be brave and tell me how to finish this one up? Go ahead.
The one exercise
Yes, I will. From our Pythagorean identity. Very good. If you don't know that or you don't have that memorized yet, that's okay. You could have also changed the 1 into sine squared plus cos squared, right? And then the 2 sines will cancel out. You could have changed whatever to work it out like that. Lovely. Why am I happy? Cos squared theta divided by cos theta is? Just cos theta.
It's so satisfying.
It does feel good when you get this done. Now, the thing about these questions, though, is the reason they're frustrating for a student, these are the types of questions you'll see in this class that are super easy to follow along when I'm doing it. Like, you're probably thinking of this right now, you're saying, yeah, my name's Tristan, I'm relaxed at the back of the classroom, I follow along, I pay attention to what Mr. Sadler says, I can do this, okay? These are actually a struggle to do them yourself, because if you don't see that, okay, this first step is here, or wait, and smush them together for 1 minus sine squared, like, you can see where the difficulty can arise for people. Okay? Yes?
Instead of doing a black and square, could we make up our own little thing?
I'm going to say no. When you have Mr. Lacey next year, he may let you, because he lets people do whatever they want. It's like, there's a kid, our co-president this year is in my calculus class, and any proof we do, he says I'm Batman at the end, and don't do it, because he's not Batman. I've seen him. Okay, he's not
Which
Batman.
Better. I like doing that.
All right, one last one to do here, and then I'm going to call it in. You guys some homework. Here we go.
Prove it. Are you gonna do it in the test?
I want you guys to try this one for me, please.
Okay, but only because you said please.
Let's start. Oh no.
Okay, so I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to struggle with this one. Okay? If you don't know where to start, choose the left-hand side instantly. Okay? The reason for that is the right-hand side is smaller, the left-hand side is messier. You can choose the right-hand side if you want. Okay, it'll still work the same way. All right, but try and choose the left-hand side. I probably work. Okay? Yeah. Okay, you're good to here. From Pythagorean theorem, all the way back here, Pythagorean identities, right? One of the things we learned way back here, this is our identity here, but you can replace then sine squared with 1 minus cos squared. And say they replace cos squared with 1 minus sine squared. So what happened was, what Kylie saw, and very good job, Kylie, was she saw that 1 minus sine squared was in the numerator here. So she just switched that to be cos squared. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video, give it a try, please. I start at the top. That doesn't work.
Doesn't?
You're good up until this step, but you can't just do that because that's cheating.
It's not cheating.
Yes, it is. You're so close. Left-hand side, I saw a lot of good things when I walked around here. Looking at the left-hand side, what am I instantly going to scrap, no matter what? Sine squared instantly. What am I changing sine squared into? Right? Okay, now I'm officially warning everyone in the class this. Okay, and if you're fading out and you're dying of overexhaustion from heat, okay, I'm sorry about that, but listen up. You cannot just go right to the right-hand side directly here. Okay, you can't do it. That's not enough. You'll lose a mark. I'll say why. You can only cancel when you factor. How do you factor the numerator? Okay, go ahead.
Do 1 negative cos times 1 plus cos and cancel.
Okay, but you have to show me this step.
You can't. Why can't you just know that?
Because I don't know anything. I'm assuming if you don't write it, I'll assume that you thought it up. Okay, so
I remember my test in super solid is
yes. Step 1 is nothing. Why are you guys so mean to me? I'm like trying to help you here.
and there's a super
Give them the squares, right? So like 1 minus something squared, right? Then we say left side equals right side QED. Okay, what I'm hoping happens this weekend, I write some homework on the board for you guys here. What I'm hoping happens this weekend is that you give a good solid effort at these. These are difficult, okay? If you do not practice these, you're going to get killed on them. I wish I could tell you anything else, okay? I don't know I'm so violent and negative today, okay? But you have to try these out. Our test will be not this Tuesday coming up, the Tuesday after that. So let's say you have a Mother's Day celebration with your parents this weekend and you can't do your homework, okay? We're doing 3 days of identities. Three days of identities, okay? So today, Monday, and Tuesday. All right, so get in the zone in those 3 days to prepare to practice it out. You gotta work through these.
Same thing each time.
No, there'll be more different types of equations, right? The same style. Though.
Tomorrow, no.
So here's your homework. Here we go.
I have to do it or else they'll kill me.
If I make my own photo,
No.
yeah, I need to bring a ring that has 3D on the other side. A little thing, and I'm gonna bring candle wax to school.
You know what? I can't wait until I'm 60 years old when I do this. I break my hand.
And you break your ring. Remember, it's like a stick. Ah!
I just hope somebody's got their phone going at that time.
No, we won't because
Whose phones are still getting phones back when they're See you guys, have a good day. So, this thing was Chase on, right? Chase on?
I'm not gonna.